Ever found yourself staring at your banking app, about to send money, and that little voice in the back of your head whispers, "Wait, how much is this actually going to cost me?" We've all been there. You need to send money to a friend for splitting that dinner bill, or maybe you're paying a vendor for a small online purchase, and suddenly you're hit with the anxiety of hidden fees eating into your funds. Today, we're diving deep into that very question, specifically focusing on Brilliant Bank and their transfer charges. Now, Brilliant Bank might seem like a straightforward option for your banking needs. They often tout their user-friendly interface and modern approach. But when it comes to the nitty-gritty of moving your money, understanding their fee structure is absolutely crucial. Because let's be honest, those small charges can really add up over time, impacting your personal finances more than you might realize. So, how much does Brilliant Bank charge for transfers? The answer, as with many things in the financial world, isn't always a simple one-size-fits-all. The cost of your transfer can depend on several key factors, and it's important to understand each of them to avoid any unwelcome surprises. Firstly, the type of transfer matters significantly. Are you making a transfer to another Brilliant Bank account? Or are you sending money to an account at a different bank? Typically, transfers within the same bank network are often free or incur a minimal charge. This is because the money stays within Brilliant Bank's own system. However, when you send money to an external bank, Brilliant Bank, like most financial institutions, will likely levy a fee to cover the processing and network costs involved in moving funds between different banking systems. Secondly, the method of transfer can also influence the fees. Are you initiating the transfer through Brilliant Bank's mobile app, their online banking portal, or are you physically visiting a branch to make the transaction? Sometimes, digital channels like mobile apps and online banking offer lower fees compared to over-the-counter transactions at a branch, as they involve less manual processing by bank staff. Thirdly, the speed of the transfer might come into play. If you opt for a standard transfer, it will usually be processed within a certain time frame, often the next business day. However, if you need the funds to reach the recipient almost instantly, Brilliant Bank might offer an expedited transfer option, which will likely come with a higher fee. These faster payment services utilize different, often more expensive, processing networks to ensure quicker delivery. Finally, and this is particularly important, your account type with Brilliant Bank could have an impact on transfer fees. Some premium accounts or bundled service packages might include a certain number of free transfers per month or offer reduced fees compared to basic accounts. It's always worth reviewing the terms and conditions of your specific account to understand the associated transfer charges. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information on Brilliant Bank's transfer fees, the best course of action is to directly consult their official resources. Their website should have a detailed schedule of fees for various transactions, including different types of transfers. You can usually find this information in the Fees and Charges section or within the details of your specific account type. Alternatively, you can contact Brilliant Bank's customer service through their helpline or visit a local branch to speak with a representative who can provide you with the exact fee structure applicable to your needs. Understanding these nuances will empower you to make informed decisions about how you move your money and potentially save you some unnecessary costs in the long run. Always take a moment to check the applicable fees before initiating a transfer, no matter how small the amount. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.